Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to convert text to speech in TikTok video. So let's get started. At first let's go to the TikTok app. So here it is. Now we need to click on this plus icon in the bottom. Now we can go for 15 seconds video or any video and click on upload. So we can choose any of this. Let's go for this and click on next. You can choose your sound from here. Now we can see this text icon in the right. So let's click here and type the text we want to make it in speech. So it's done. Now here we can see this option of text to speech if we tap here. So here it is. Now click on text to speech. So now you can listen.
Tech and crypto.
Yes, this is how we can convert text to speech in a TikTok video. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.